In a powerful and highly visible demonstration of transatlantic solidarity, United States and NATO forces have commenced one of the largest and most complex defense drills ever conducted in Estonia. Mobilizing thousands of troops, hundreds of armored combat vehicles, and a diverse range of advanced weaponry. The operation, taking place across multiple training areas near Estonia's eastern frontier, is intended to test the alliance's ability to react quickly and decisively to potential aggression. Coming at a time of heightened tensions in Eastern Europe, these maneuvers are a deliberate reminder of NATO's capability and willingness to defend its territory. The Baltic nation's strategic location, sharing a long border with Russia, places it in a frontline role within NATO's deterrence strategy, making its defense drills a critical component of the alliance's broader security posture. For Washington and its allies, this exercise serves both as a practical readiness measure and as a political statement aimed at deterring any hostile action in the region. The drills have been carefully structured to include a diverse set of combat simulations, ranging from coordinated live-fire exercises on open terrain to complex urban warfare scenarios in specially constructed mock towns. U.S. Army units have deployed heavy platforms such as M1A2 Abrams main battle tanks, M2 Bradley infantry fighting vehicles, and advanced self-propelled artillery systems to work seamlessly alongside Estonian defense forces and other NATO contingents. Overhead, Allied air power plays a crucial role, with F-16 Fighting Falcons, Eurofighter Typhoons, and AH-64 Apache attack helicopters executing precision strike drills in coordination with ground forces. The inclusion of Joint Terminal Attack Controllers ensures that close air support is synchronized perfectly with ground maneuvers, reflecting NATO's emphasis on interoperability and rapid reaction capabilities. Estonian Defense Minister Hanno Pevkur has stressed that these exercises are not simply about firing weapons or moving troops, but about reinforcing the deep military and political ties that bind NATO members together. Speaking to the press, he stated, "Every soldier, every tank, every aircraft participating here is a tangible reminder of our collective defense commitment. We are stronger together, and our unity is our greatest weapon." His remarks directly reference Article 5 of the NATO Treaty, which guarantees mutual defense should any member state come under attack. The large-scale participation of U.S. forces, particularly heavy armor and air units, reassures NATO's eastern flank that in any crisis, reinforcements would arrive rapidly and in strength, leaving no doubt about the alliance's readiness. Commanders from the United States have emphasized that the training is designed to replicate the complexity and unpredictability of real combat operations. This means that troops are exposed to scenarios involving communication blackouts, GPS jamming, and simulated electronic warfare designed to disrupt command and control. Soldiers must adapt in real time, shifting from planned strategies to improvised tactics when conditions change unexpectedly. Day and night maneuvers test not only the endurance of the personnel, but also the capability of vehicles and weapon systems under sustained operational tempo. Combat engineers are tasked with rapidly building and defending temporary fortifications under simulated attack, while logistics teams practice the swift delivery of ammunition, fuel, and medical supplies under simulated enemy fire. Beyond conventional combat, the drills also incorporate critical elements of modern warfare, such as cyber defense and unmanned aerial systems. Estonia, recognized globally for its advanced digital infrastructure and cybersecurity expertise, has integrated military cyber defense units into the training to repel simulated hacking attempts, aimed at crippling battlefield communications. At the same time, drone warfare units are experimenting with new tactics for reconnaissance, electronic interference, and precision strikes. NATO officials have stressed that the nature of warfare is changing, and modern military forces must operate seamlessly across land, air, sea, space, and cyber domains to maintain superiority. For many of the troops deployed to Estonia, this is their first experience operating in the country's challenging environment, which ranges from dense pine forests and marshlands to open plains where heavy armor can maneuver freely. The varied terrain requires adjustments in movement formations, concealment strategies, and vehicle maintenance routines. Weather has played a decisive role in testing operational readiness, with cold winds, rain, and muddy terrain pushing both personnel and machinery to their limits. Commanders view these conditions as a valuable training advantage, as they mimic the unpredictability of real combat environments where nature can be as formidable an obstacle as the enemy. The local population has responded to the drills with a mix of curiosity, pride, and support. Public demonstration days have been organized, allowing Estonian citizens to observe NATO forces in action, explore military equipment displays, and interact with soldiers from various countries. This civilian engagement serves a dual purpose: strengthening public confidence in the nation's defense and fostering trust between the armed forces and the communities they protect. Economically, the exercises bring a short-term boost, as local businesses benefit from the influx of military personnel and the logistical needs of large-scale operations. The sight of NATO troops training in their homeland has also reinforced national unity and resilience. As the exercise continues over the coming weeks, military analysts note that its significance extends far beyond Estonia's borders. By integrating forces from across the alliance into a single, coordinated fighting force, NATO is not only testing its ability to defend one member, but is also signaling to any adversary that an attack on one is an attack on all. The presence of US armor, artillery, and air assets on the ground, combined with the participation of European allies, serves as a potent reminder that NATO's collective defense commitment is not theoretical, it is operational, immediate, and backed by overwhelming force. For Estonia, these drills reaffirm its place within a powerful alliance that stands ready to respond swiftly and decisively to any threat, ensuring that its sovereignty remains safeguarded.